Hi, boys and girls. I'm so excited to be here with you. I'm ready to search the rainforest again. Today, we're going to be looking for the purple gems by the bridge by the Emerald Mountains. I'm hoping Sydney the Sloth can help me read this map. Will you help me call for Sydney? Sydney!
What was that?
Well, hello, buddy. We're back again today, your favorite rainforest explorers.
Very funny, Jane. You are the only rainforest explorers I know. What's up?
Well, today I have a new plan. We're going to be looking for the purple gems. Will you help me?
Purple gems, you say? Little old me would love to help little old you. What do you need?
Well, they're supposed to be found by the bridge by the base of the Emerald Mountain. Will you help me read this map? Is it this way or that way?
You know I don't read. How about you turn the map around? How about you turn the map around again? I've got it now. The bridge is that way. Follow the pathway past Treasure Falls, where you were yesterday.
Thank you. Would you like to come with?
Me? The slowpoke? No, I'll stay right here. I've got to eat my greens. By the way, do you want to take some with you? You know, for a snack.
I'm okay, handsome friend. I have everything I need. My Bible, my map, my binoculars.
Okay, see you later, Jane.
Which way did you say again?